VLOOKUP function is one of the commonly used function. This function is used to look up or find a particular value from a huge set of records easily. To make it simple, we use a small set of records. In our case, we are going to find the department name of a particular employee. We are going to find the department of this particular employee, David, from the master record which we have in sheet 1. Now let us go to sheet 1. This is our record set from which we are going to look for department of David. Go to sheet 2. Let us type the VLOOKUP formula here. Equal to VLOOKUP of, once you type the name of the function, we will get the tip below on how to use this function. First we need to mention the lookup value. We are going to look for David. David is in cell B2, so type B2 here, then put a comma. Next we have to mention the table array. Table array is nothing but the record set from which we are going to look. Our record set is in sheet 1. Go to sheet 1 and select the record set. So select the record set. Here type sheet 1. Next put a comma. Now you have to mention the column index number. Column index number. Here we are going to put 2, indicates that we are going to retrieve the value from the second column. From sheet 1, this is the first column, this is the second column. So department, we are going to fetch value from department column, so you have to mention 2. Then again put a comma. Next we have to type either true or false. Mostly we use false here. False will fetch the exact data, whereas true will fetch the approximate data. Normally we put false here to fetch the exact data. Then close the bracket. But before pressing the enter key, now let us see here sheet 1 exclamatory A1 to F13. This type of references are called relative reference, but instead of using relative reference, we should use absolute reference here to get the correct result. So absolute reference, to get the absolute reference, keep the cursor here and press F4 function button, F4. So A1 has now changed to $A$1. This is the absolute reference. Again, if you want to change F13 to absolute reference, before F you have to put $1 and before 13 you have to put another $1. $F, $13 is the absolute reference, or simply press F4 function key to change this to absolute reference. Now the formula is complete. Press enter button. Okay, so now we got the answer here. Move the cursor to the right bottom corner and drag the mouse. Now you got the department name of all these employees. If you have any doubt in VLOOKUP function, you can mail me for more clarification.